Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Today we are headed to the yard again to work on the Peterbilt build. And so we got David right there. That's his truck, putting up some tools. What's up, Ginger? And then we got Alex over there and got Baines up here. So today we're gonna try to attempt to start the truck. We have to just put the oil pan on, and we decided we're gonna do the leaf springs in a later time. We just want to get the truck started, show you guys how it sounds, because we think it's gonna be pretty sick. So and then there's another video that I might do today on another Freightliner. It's convertible now is all I can say. So that's gonna be another whole different video, so stay tuned for that. So for now, we're gonna head to the yard. The boys in the back, David, and let's hit the road. Let's do it.
Came through dripping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me. Blow make this, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us, red run when I tell a bit peace. Love is love. Love is love. Adios.
Okay, well, let's see here. So this forklift was in the way right here. Towed it out, and the reason why you guys haven't been seeing any videos because where this truck is, it's all gravel and rocks, and it was all snowed in and dirt, and we just couldn't come out here and work on all this stuff. We don't have really a shop yet to put the truck in, so the weather's finally warming up. Here it is. Just got to put the oil pan on, put some oil in it, and then just, oh, and batteries, we need some batteries, and then just start it up. So I guess let's get it started. Alrighty, we are back from Walmart. We went with the guys to get some batteries. There was only three batteries, but that should be enough to start it for now. There's our oil pan here, and then this gasket, and all the lines are to the battery have been cut, so we'll have to we'll just have to make it work, rig it in for now. But so we put the oil first or the oil pan on?
Yeah, we'll put the oil in it, and then
inside the oil pan, or just put it in the engine?
Oil pan.
And then we just lift it up with all the oil?
Yep. It'd be easier that way. Save a lot of time.
Oh yeah, I guess you just dump it in the oil pan and lift it.
Yeah, because we got it in the 5-gallon buckets. So
yeah, so it'll be easier just to dump it in the oil pan. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. And I'm just kidding. No, first put the oil pan. We'll put the seal oil pan. And where's the thing we bought for the seal? The sealer. So we bought this, what do they call it?
Some gasket maker.
It's a gasket maker. Even though we have one, we're still gonna add some on there. It's like 1 minute, it says cure or something, I don't know. But anyways, we're gonna put all that on. They're gonna put all the oil. Let me see it. I'll show them what it looks like. So it is right here. Show you guys. Right Stuff black 1 minute gasket. So that's what you use to seal it all. Might not really need it, but we're gonna put it just in case. So we're gonna do that right now, and then put the batteries on, and they should be able to fire right up. At least that's the plan. So
You're done.
yeah, get her done. Alrighty. So David's just cleaning it right now, and Alex has the gasket that we're gonna install on this oil pan right here. And then Beans is
Moral support.
Overseeing everything.
he's like the manager of the union. How's the coolant in there?
Oh, we got a lot of it.
Not the blinker fluid. Because we're kind of low on that.
Yeah, there's enough blinker fluid. Alright. So is this the seal?
I think so.
Alrighty, so the oil pan has been installed, and We're missing a few little gaskets that go, let me show you guys. So there's this nut that goes here, or bolt, and there's like a seal that goes around it. So the guys went home to pick it up real quick, but as you guys can see, the oil pan is all installed, and while we wait on the guys, we're going to install the batteries. The whole box and everything got crushed in the accident, but we're just going to rig it in for now. The battery's like on the ground or whatnot, just to start it. So that's what David is doing right now. We got these little connectors from AutoZone, or at least I don't remember, and hopefully this will
It's too thick.
it's too thick.
Get rid of some of this.
We'll just make it work, right? There you go. This is just a test to see how the truck runs, so it's obviously not going to be like this when the truck is all finished, but so that's what we're doing.
But you never know.
Where is it at? This little
Stupid shit.
yeah, see, they cut it. When the truck gets in an accident, I think they cut it so it doesn't spark any other, you know, sparks anywhere from fuel and whatnot. So they just cut it off here and then some other end over there.
Really? Sell you shit that don't even work.
No? What's wrong with it?
It's supposed to fit in there, but it doesn't.
It has to go all the way through?
Yeah. Not through, but see,
Oh,
it's
into the
fit in
little-
there. Make it work somehow.
But how would you tighten it if it goes in there? From
Like-
the other end?
Yeah, the washer.
Well, maybe it'll suck it in. Hopefully. Alright, well, we're gonna get this thing, try to get this thing installed right now, and I'll update you guys once we have all the batteries connected, and hopefully start it here today. This truck takes roughly 12 gallons of oil, and we're using a Rotella. I'll show you guys.
Hey, the batteries are like
Rotella 1540.
Choose the ones that they gave you.
All right, we're gonna try again. First time, let it go. Let's see. There you go, there you go. Yeah! It started. Well, it started, so that's a good sign.
I think our fuel cable is connected.
It could be our fuel line. We've noticed the fuel pump wasn't priming correctly either, unless we hardwire it. But it's close.
We
need more power.
charge our batteries. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it started. That's a good sign. We started the Peterbilt. So
For a second.
and it ran. I mean, it ran for a few seconds, but it started. I think we just need more batteries because you guys see how we rigged it here. I'm sure we're gonna get hate comments like we always do, but this is how we rigged it for the time being, just to get it started. It's not the best, it's not professional, but that's probably how Walmart would do it anyways. So, so we're just doing what we can with what we have.
Oh, thanks to Walmart.
Yes, thanks to Walmart. We don't really have a garage to work with for our big trucks like this, so we're just using what we can, what we bring from the house to the yard here where we keep our trucks. So you just gotta make use of what you got, because we see your haters in the comments and we have a good laugh. I guess our parents give us $1 million loan or something, but they were kind of a little bit too stingy to give us a truck that's wrecked instead of buying us a new one. But we're just using for, you know, what we got here. So yeah. What else, Zook? We got here. So yeah, we're just gonna clean up and go home. Now we know that we just need to recharge the batteries. The truck starts. We're gonna work on the leaf spring next. Maybe just get new ones or rebuild the ones. I don't know if you're gonna rebuild them, but they build you same ones, same size that you need. So we're gonna go do that maybe tomorrow, sometime this week. Weather's finally getting better. So the truck started. That was the whole mission for today, just to get it rolling. So now we're just gonna clean up, go home. I'm gonna edit this video. And there's a couple more videos coming with some Supra content if you guys like JDM cars. So go check that out. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button because we got more dope videos coming to the channel. And leave us a comment. Even if you're a hater like we see in the comments, leave us a hit comment. A comment's a comment, even if it's a negative one. So hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next video. Peace out.